Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to teach you guys just a fun little spring just peachy tutorial. I just wanted to do something spring and festive. It is finally sunny outside, at least in Chicago. The snow is gone, so I'm super pumped about that. And yeah, I was just feeling a little like a little flower here. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you want to see how I got this fresh peachy glow, then please keep watching. Hello everybody, it's so good to see my face. Just kidding. Okay, so first up, popping this Hourglass primer, favorite primer I've ever used of all time, ever. Then taking this Le Métier de Beauty foundation, also favorite foundation that I've ever used. Can you say favorite, please? Yeah, I just love the coverage and it lasts all day, and the way it oxidizes with my skin is just phenomenal. Next up, I gotta set all that liquid stuff with this MAC powder. I'll link everything below if you'd like. Any type of liquid that you use needs to be set with a powder. It's super important. Next up, taking this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer on my eyes. I promise you, your eyeshadow will not move until you take it off, honey. You go dancing, you do whatever you want, it ain't moving. And then it was just a little liquidy. I don't know if it was just because like I had just opened it or whatever, but just decided to set that with a beauty blender, blend it out with the beauty blah blah blah. Next up, I did my brows off camera. I have a brow tutorial that will link down below if you would like to see that. Next up, I took MAC in the Shadow Shade Kid and just popping that with a fluffy brush in the outer corner of my eye, being a little messy with it. And then I'm taking Texture and a more dense fluffy brush and bringing that down just slightly. I just want to keep creating this ombre effect, just to not go in right away with all these bold, big colors. And then, just to be even more thorough, because I'm that basic bitch, you know, I am blending it out even more so that there are no harsh lines and it's all blended out. Then I took Saddle and I put that even lower on my eyes, but now I'm taking it towards the inner corner as well, and I'm taking a flatter brush with that. And then I took that beautiful plum color called Embark on a denser, fluffier brush and popping that just on the bottom part. I just wanted there to be a little bit more dimension. And then I took those same crease colors and popped them in order beneath my lid, basically. This will just, any dark shadow that you want to put under your eyes, you always want to smoke it out with that lighter crease color. And then I just wanted some shine, so I popped that really pretty like orangey peachish color, coral color, that's what we're going for, right? Just in the center of my eyes, just to give it a little pop. Just a little bit. And I like those shadows because they're not like so highlighty, they're just like a little sheen almost. Then I took Rice Paper by MAC and just put that in the inner corner of my eyes and up beneath my brow. I love this shadow because it's like a yellowy highlight in a way, and I wanted to keep it more in the gold yellow tones instead of any like stark whites and stuff, but that'll work too if that's what you've got. Curling my eyelashes, that is essential for me, especially, actually, no matter what I'm doing, I gotta curl my eyelashes because I got these lashes that stick straight out otherwise. Popping those Ardell lashes on, love them, especially for the price, honey. And this Mad Lash Mascara by The Balm is money, honey, it is gold in a bottle. Like, I love the curve on the brush. It literally looks amazing with fake lashes or regular. And then I'm taking this Hoola bronzer and just putting it on my forehead, on my cheeks, and underneath my jawline, basically. I have a video coming up that shows you how to highlight and contour. Stay tuned. Next up, taking this Wet n Wild pearlescent pink blush, and let me tell you, honey, these are pigmented. And then I'm taking this eyeshadow by Make Cosmetics in Santa Fe and using it as a highlight. You can do that, guys. Just use highlight or eyeshadows as highlight, whatever you want. It doesn't really matter, especially if you're tight on a budget. Try it out. Test out your different products in different ways. Love to hear what you guys are testing out in the comments below. Next up, taking this color was okay. It's called,
I forgot what it's called. It's like an orange shade by Tarte. I wasn't obsessed with it, so I actually switched to this Lancome shade instead. But I just didn't like the way it felt, but I like the way it looks. It's so cute though. Any orangey shade.
All right, you guys, so that concludes this little makeup look here. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Hope you learned something new. If you did and you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and comment below some of your favorite spring looks or any tutorials that you would like to see me do. I love to help you guys out. Always here for you. What are girls for, you know? Yeah, follow me on any of my social media. Let's be friends. It's listed down below and at the end of this video. Hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.